Good morning, students. Once again, I am welcoming you in the session of computer, and we are doing our chapter number 4, which is about charts in Excel. In previous session, I have told you how you can implement chart and what are the various types of chart in which we have seen column chart, bar chart, and pie chart, and etc. We have seen the components of parts such as what we need to mention. We need to mention the plot area, x-axis, y-axis, and etc. We have also seen how we can change the chart style and change the chart coloring or whatever you like to do. Now we will understand theoretically how we can change data range of a chart. Now you will ask, sir, what is the data range? Data range is what the data on which you are working. Okay, supposingly you are making a list or you are making a table in which you are mentioning English, Hindi, Math, Science, Histories, marks according to name of student. So this is your data range. Okay, one will come in your x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so now we will understand how you can changing data range of a chart. So first of all, we have to create a table. We have to create an Excel sheet in our MS Excel so that we can convert it into the chart. So step one, right click on the chart and click on select data option from the submenu. So when you have created a chart, you need to right click on that. Then you will find select data, as you can see on your screen. This is our chart. Okay. When I'm right clicking on it, then I can find this select data option. In the select data source dialog box opens, make desired changes and click on OK button. When you will click on this select data and dialog box will open, here you can find add, edit, remove, whatever you want to do. If you want to edit these columns, then you can do. If you want to delete anything, then you can remove it, then you can edit it. So this is how you can do. And if you have completed your editing or updating, then you have to click on OK. So now you will find that your chart will be updated. Now you will understand changing data and text in a chart. Changing data, mark my point, we are going to change data as well as the text of a chart. So Excel chart data and text are linked to the data and text in the worksheet from which the chart is created. Obviously, data and text are linked, are merged on whatever the Excel sheet we are working on. Okay. So any changes in the worksheet will automatically update the chart. Supposingly you are making changes in your chart, in your table. Supposingly in this 68, I have created this 68 initially, but now I have changed to the 50. Then it will automatically update it in your chart also. It will not show 68. It will show now 50. Now, next topic is deleting data and text in a chart. How you can delete it? Very easy. If you are deleting your data from your table, then it will automatically delete it to your chart also. Okay. So there is nothing new thing in that. Now you can see in your example that there are 3 students, Geeta, Nidhi and Lalit. But if I'm deleting this Nidhi, then I can see only 2 charts here. Okay. Here you will find 3 charts, but if I'm deleting Nidhi's data, then I will find only 2 charts only. Okay. So this is how you can delete it. Next thing is that interchanging axis. Interchanging axis. Supposingly you want to interchange x axis to y and y axis to x. So this will called as interchanging axis. So how you can do it? You can interchange the charts x and y axis in just one click. Click on switch row or column. What you have to click on? Switch row or column in the design tab. Where you will find this in design tab. Okay. So supposingly Geeta, Nidhi and Lalit are my x-axis, but now I want to create it as a y-axis, so I can interchange it from design tab and you will find switch row and column. So this is how you can interchange axes also. Now we will understand formatting charts component. Formatting charts component, that means we are going to change, we are going to update or modify our components. Component is what? Plot area and axes, data series, legends and etc. So we can format text, background, boundary color, size, axis and other properties of the chart component. Double click on any component of the chart to open the format dialog box on the right click. So how you can change? You have to double click on any component you want to update. So for each component, the dialog box displays certain options which we can use to format the component. And let us learn to format some of the components. Okay, how you can change it. So first of all, we are going to understand how we can format plot area. Plot area, that means the area in which we have created our chart. Supposedly I need to give some background color or want to add some presentations to it, then I can change it. So we can change the fill style of the plot area, apply various border colors. We can also apply styles, glowing effects, shadow effect, and etc. So what you need to do is you have to double click on that plot area. You will be prompted to a new dialog box, no fill, solid fill, and etc. Supposedly I need to give shadow. Then I will click on this shadow and then I will choose my color, transparency level, blur, angles, and etc. So this is how you can change your plot area. After understanding the plot area, now we also can format our data series. Okay, so data series means which kind of symbol, which kind of bar or column charts we are using. So it will be known as data series. So we can change the fill style of the data series, apply glow and shadow effects, and change the border style and color also. So the data may be in shape of bars or points or slices of pie. So how you can change it? Once again, you need to double click on it. You will be prompted to a dialog box. Now you will find several options such as fill, border color, border style, shadow, glow, 3D effects, and etc. And here you will find a very interesting thing that the column third, that means for Lalit, we have created a kind of a brick style. So how we have given this brick style? We have given this style from this pattern fill and we have selected this brick style. So you can manipulate it, you can change it, or you can format it. Now, everyone knows what are the axes in the chart, x-axis and y-axis. So how you can format axis also. Once again, the same process is that you have to double click on your axes, and then you will be prompted to a dialog box where you will find axis option, number, fill, line color, line style, shadow, glow and show effects, 3D format, and alignment. Supposingly I am going to use line style. Okay, line style, then it will give me several kind of option in which I can change the axis options such as alignment, shadow, and etc. Now you will find that there will be shadow and underline of our axes. What do you mean by legends? Legends mean the symbols or colors or style which we use to just give the simplification or implementations or identification to our child. So how you can just format your legend? You will find legend option, fill, border color, border style, shadow, and etc. So whatever the changes you want to do, you can do it. Just like as you can see on your screen, Geeta, Nidhi, and Lalit has been changed. Now the very interesting topic is that please ignore that thumb which has been also scanned in this chart. So moving a chart, how you can move a chart? That means how you can just place it from one place to another place, or you can just also copy it to the next sheet. So first of all, you need to click on design tab where you will find move chart. Okay, here you can see on your screen in design tab, you can find move chart option. And then if you will click on this move chart option, it will ask you two things. Whether you want to just clicking copy it to the new sheet, or you want to just paste it to some other thing. So I will click on new sheet. And if I will click on new sheet, then it will prompt me to a new sheet. It will create a new sheet, and then and that particular sheet I can find my chart. So this is how we have completed our chapter number 4, which was about the charts in Excel in a vertical manner. In upcoming session, I am going to show you how you can implement all these options in practical manner. So thank you so much for watching, and please take care of yourself. Bye.